Welcome back. Much going on fighting the damn furnace. Don't mind that room. Putting a second bathroom in. It looks more like a tool room now. I'll get her done eventually. Yeah. Now this guy's been a pain in the ass about the last month. Not even barely over 3 years old. Getting too hot and shutting down. About every 4 or 5 days it messes up. Last weekend it was down all weekend. We're getting it lined out. Yeah. Bought that about 3 years ago. Back up, but it came in handy last weekend, so I ain't complaining. The furnace is going, but it's still like it ain't keeping up. Works good, and it's, I don't know. But, yeah. New filter, check all everything out. Everything's clean. Nothing in the duct work. It's just, we'll get it figured out. It's working right now. Usually it blink 4 times. And it go blink 7 times. That'd be lockout mode. I got a part I got to order for it and get it going. And a pain in the ass. Not much going on. Down in the basement farting around. Yeah, pretty decent day out today. Yeah, there's what winter is. Josephus. Bubba. Hey, bud. I don't know. It feels good in the sun. Not a bad day here in Indiana. Josephus. Oh shit. Airplane somewhere. Come on, bud. Come on in. If you're into automotive, a couple channels you can check out. Central Oregon Shenanigans and the Fox Shop. Fox Shop's a good channel. Both of them's good channels. Fox Shop also has a barbecue channel. Got a 94 F-150, 93 Bronco he's been working on. If you're in that kind of stuff, check them out. Like and subscribe. You happen to stumble across my video and see that. He's always got something going on. Central Oregon Shenanigans. They're always coming out with good videos. The Fox Shop. Central Oregon Shenanigans. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe. Have a good day. Thanks.